best bites forever.
What's up? Welcome to Best Bites Forever. In this video, I'm making this yummy Greek salad. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so now, and let's rock this out. I'm going to start off here by making a super quick vinaigrette. So about a teaspoon, yeah, that's probably a teaspoon and a half of red wine vinegar. I'm also adding in probably a tablespoon-ish of olive oil. I'm going to kind of mix that together. Doesn't have to be perfect, guys. This is just going on one salad, by the way, so you can definitely up this recipe if you want to. And if you want, you can use lemon juice in there. It's really tasty too. I'm also going to add in the teeniest little pinch of salt, tiny little bit of fresh cracked pepper, and the teeniest little pinch of sugar. Give that a little stir. I'm also going to add just a little bit, maybe, I don't know, quarter to a half of a teaspoon of dried oregano in there. If you're using fresh, triple the amount. I'm going to stir that up and put it over to the side. Next, I have my onion slices, and guess what? I have these sliced up from yesterday, but I do want to note to you that when I slice my red onions, I always put them into water. I don't always put them into water. I often put them into water. It kind of backs off the flavor a little bit, and it keeps them from overpowering what you are making. These are pretty thin slices. Can you see it through there? Yeah. Okay, so sliced up red onion. Bam, done. How convenient for me. Next, I'm going to cut up my cucumber. I have, I don't know, probably a 2-inch piece, and this is an English cucumber. I'm going to quarter it first, and then just lay all those little pieces right next to each other like so. And then I'm going to cut them this way. Cucumber slices are ready to go over to the side. And here I have my tomato. I'm going to kind of do this and take out that inside part. You don't have to do that, but I am. And then I'm going to cut long strips like this because I think it's going to be pretty for my presentation. There we go. Nice long pretty tomato strips. Oops, I didn't go all the way through some of those. Over to the side. You know what, actually I take it back. I'm going to cut them one time this way so they're more easy to eat, more bite size. And we are ready to assemble. Did that go super quick for you? It went super quick for me. Dressing gets poured along the side of the bowl as always. Go ahead and toss that lettuce around in there. This is romaine lettuce, by the way, if I did not mention it, and it is already washed and chopped clearly. This is my cool plate that I'm going to be using. I'm going to do kind of a deconstructed situation on this salad just for a nice plate up. So I have my lettuce right there, and then we have all of our toppings. So I'm going to start, let's see, where should we start? Let's start with some cucumber. Nice little pile of cucumber right there. Give it some color with some tomatoes. How about we go olives next? I mean, you can do it however you want, but you know. Olives. Yummy. I love olives. Pepperoncinis. I don't know why I try to do an accent with that. It's terrible. Go ahead and finish off my tomatoes here. You can get fussy if you want and make everything all perfect and straight and neat, but I am not going to do that right now. I also have my feta here, and I think I'm going to put it right on the end. That is going to look really nice. And last but not least, my red onions. And you know what? Actually, I think I'm going to give everything a scooch this direction so that I can kind of put them right there. Yeah, that way I kind of have my peppers and my onions separated since they both have a pretty strong flavor to them. And there it is. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure that you give this video a like, and I will see you in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.
Bestbitesforever.com